Hey, gorgeous people, let's get right into it. Today, we are doing a hotel review on the Fairfield by Marriott here in the beautiful city of Columbus. We are going to step inside, get checked in, and see what all they have to offer. I first have to talk about the location, y'all. It is in the perfect space. You hear me? So if you are flying in, it is only about 15 minutes from the airport. If you are visiting someone at the Ohio State University, it is only 3 minutes up the street. And if you want to head downtown, it is only 10 minutes away, y'all. So it is like perfect. And as y'all saw at the front desk, they do have a shuttle service that will take you in a 5-mile radius of the hotel. You just have to schedule your service first. There are no walk-ups, but that is still a plus to be able to get you around town if you do not have a rental car or anything like that. So I absolutely am loving the energy thus far. So let's go ahead and get into this room. So walking into the room, first glance, it's really clean. They probably had a recent remodel. So I do like the aesthetics of the room. Nice size TV. We do have a mini fridge here, and you can put some clothes in these drawers. Now let me know if y'all are a person who put clothes in drawers when y'all go to hotels. I am not. I live out of my suitcase and life is easy. So simple fridge. They do have a nice working station area here. We got 2 garbage cans so you can recycle. We do have a coffee maker and your cups and everything that you need for that. And I am staying in a room with 2 queen size beds. We do have outlets on both sides of the lamp, and then you have additional outlets on your clock, and you also have the USB ports and everything that you need. So I do like the room. Let's check out this closet. Your ironing board. Of course, you know we have that luggage rack. That is a must. Like, do not put your luggage on the beds. Now let's check out the bathroom. Walking into the bathroom, it is spacious. Now, the first thing that I notice is this space looks really bare. I think I'm normally used to seeing like the shower cap, your lotions, a few additional amenities that's normally here, but they do have a hair dryer for you. You got your towels. They do have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here in the showers, which is always nice to have. And the tub looks clean. Definitely could probably use a small updates in here. But other than that, it is nice. So we're going to go check out the rest of the property and see what all they have to offer. So let's check out this pool and this fitness center area. One swipe will get you into the fitness center and the pool area. As you can see, this gym is pretty small, but you can still get a decent workout in, get your cardio going. They do have some free weights, so you can do everything you need to do to just get that body moving. They do have your water station, and then they do have wipes to wipe down your equipment. That is always so nice to do because don't nobody want to be coming behind all the germs and the sweat. So please wipe down your equipment. Next up, we have the pool space. Now, the space was very clean. They had plenty of chairs and tables for you to kind of sit down, relax, watch the kids play in the pool. They had the whirlpool back there for the adults. They also have your towels provided, so you do not have to worry about bringing towels from the room. And then I loved this patio space back here. So if you wanted to just enjoy the weather, sit out here, catch up, they even have a grill, so you can have you a whole little situation back here. It was so cute and relaxing. Now I'm off to find the laundry space because they told me they had the area, so I just wanted to see what it was given, because it'd be the simple things that hotels have to offer that just makes that experience that much better, because there are sometimes where you don't want to leave with dirty clothes, and if you have the option to wash them, or if you're traveling with kids and they spill something all over it, it is so nice to have this option available. And this room is giving, you got a TV, you got your little folding table, you can even air dry your clothes. Like, they have everything you need here in this laundry room. So shout out to Fairfield for having that space available. So the next morning, I decided to head down for a free continental breakfast, and I noticed they had the microwaves down here in the lobby since they did not have them in the room. So if you need to warm something up, just head back down into the lobby and you're good to go. So for the continental breakfast, they do have plenty of seating for everyone. Your options are pretty much always the same. Your fruits, your cereals, you have your hot foods. They had some sausage patties. They had some sausage biscuits. We have your bagels, your croissants, your waffles, pretty much what you assume to be on a continental breakfast. They definitely had it. I am someone who pretty much sticks to grabbing me either a bagel or making my own waffle. It's just easy and I know it's going to come out perfect. It can't go wrong. So that's normally what I stick with and I enjoy it. Like, it'd be so good. And my waffles probably be smacking because I do not follow the instructions on the machine. Like, I never leave my waffles in there for whatever allotted time that is listed on there because I feel like it always be too long. I feel like my waffles gonna be hard, but my waffles be smacking when I take them out a little early. But I digress. So there's two more things that I wanted to show you in the lobby area. They do have a market. So if you need any type of late night snacks, your pops, your beers, your wine, chips, cup of noodles or whatever the case may be, they do have that here in the market. Obviously, your prices are a little bit higher than one may want to pay, but it is an option. They also have the business center. So if you need to print off anything, that is available to you all. And then when it comes to parking, the parking is free, which is a plus. And they do have some restaurants that are in walking distance right out here in this parking lot. So definitely check that out. After seeing what this hotel has to offer, would you all consider staying here? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, gorgeous people, go out there, create memories that will last a lifetime.